In the wild world of predators and prey, there are few creatures as cunning and surprising as the mongoose. Today, we delve into the fascinating story of this unlikely hunter. Meet the mongoose, a small carnivore with a big reputation. Often underestimated due to its diminutive size, this creature packs a punch when it comes to hunting.
What makes the mongoose such a unique predator is its adaptability. From the forests of Asia to the savannas of Africa, these little hunters have found a way to thrive in diverse environments.
But what sets the mongoose apart from other predators? It's their incredible agility and fearlessness when confronting much larger foes. Whether it's taking on venomous snakes or outmaneuvering birds of prey, the mongoose's quick reflexes and sharp wit make it a force to be reckoned with. Yet, despite their prowess as hunters, mongooses also have a softer side. They are highly social animals, often living in close-knit family groups where they cooperate to raise their young and defend their territory.
Unfortunately, mongooses face numerous threats in the wild, from habitat loss to invasive species. It's crucial that we work to protect these fascinating creatures and the ecosystems they inhabit.
So, the next time you spot a mongoose darting through the undergrowth, take a moment to appreciate the incredible story of this unlikely predator. From fearless hunter to devoted family member, the mongoose proves that size is no obstacle when it comes to survival in the wild. Thanks for joining us on this wild adventure. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more captivating tales from the animal kingdom. Until next time, stay curious.